My very first trip here to Jamaica, when I saw or was given the Ganepas, also Ginup. That's the first thing I said. I was like, oh, Ganepas. And then learned, that they call it here in Jamaica Ginup. So um, it's always interesting to it's always interesting to learn what other cultures call similar fruits um, from other countries, what they call it, especially when you know it to be um, another name. And I'm sure in other countries they may call it something else no matter where you go. Actually, the dog. And if you also join in this video for